Okay, good morning, children. Today, continuation. Next, yesterday, Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals both are over. Now, third bit. Observe the periods and write the number names. Observe the periods and write the number names. So, see here, we are given numbers. Numbers. Yes? So you write number names. Number names means write spelling. See what is this number first? So I write and show to you. రాసి మీకు చూపిస్తాను. See. See first number. This is first number. So first you write places. Are you remember places? Places అంటే ఏంటో గుర్తున్నాయా? Place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Those are places. So first write places. Ones, tens. Ones place from start here, right to left. Right to, we start from right to left. So not left to right. Left to right రాయకూడదు. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Before that you observe, is this Indian system number or international system number? Indian, we have two systems, Indian system, international system. So మీరు ఇండియన్ సిస్టమా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టమా హౌ యూ ఫైండ్? ఎలా ఫైండ్ చేయాలి అంటే అబ్జర్వ్ ద కామాస్. అబ్జర్వ్ కామాస్. సో ఫస్ట్ 3 నెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ కామా. నెక్స్ట్ 2 in Indian system first 3 numbers after comma, next remaining all 2 numbers after. But international system every 3 numbers after we keep the comma. 3 numbers, first 3 numbers, next also 1 2 3 here comma. So that is international system. Indian system commas first 3 numbers, remaining 2 numbers after we keep the comma. Next international system every 3 numbers after we put the comma. So this is Indian system. So see here 2 numbers after comma na? First 3 numbers, next onwards 2 numbers after, 2 numbers after. So this is Indian system. So we write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So now write number name. 5 lakh, 3 10,000, 7,000. Is this correct? No. These two are belongs to thousands period. ఈ రెండు thousands period లో కదా. So you read these 2 numbers together. Read 3 7 37, 37,000, 37,000. ఈ కామర్స్ ఈ 2 నెంబర్స్కే ఉన్నాయి కదా నాన్న. సో యూ రీడ్ దిస్ 2 నెంబర్స్ 3 7 37. సో 37,000. సో రైట్ ఫస్ట్ 5 lakh 37,000 PHIR EY 30 SEBN 37,000 PHOUS AND 37,000. Next 37,000 over. Next 400 110 to no 412 110 to not right 412. Don't write like that. 412, that is correct. 400 110 no 2, that is wrong. Therefore you are 4 HUN DR ED 100 12 TWEL VE 412. See ఈ 3 నెంబర్స్కి కలిపి కామా ఉంది. సో రీడ్ దిస్ 3 నెంబర్స్ టుగెదర్. ఈ 3 నెంబర్స్ కలిపి చదవాలి. 412. 412 412. సో దట్ ఓన్లీ వి రైట్ 412. 5,37,412. This is correct answer. Yes. Next, second one. This is this Indian system. Observe, Indian system or international system? Yes, first 3 numbers after comma, next here 2 numbers, so 2 numbers after comma na? So this is Indian system. So write places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, now write number name. So these two are these two. ఈ రెండింటికి కలిపి కామా ఉంది కదా. సో రీడ్ దిస్ నెంబర్స్ టుగెదర్. 88,000. 88, 10,000, 1,000. Not right like that. 88,000. Why these two numbers are, these two digits are belongs to thousands period. ఈ రెండు థౌజండ్స్ పీరియడ్కే సంబంధించినవి కాబట్టి సో యూ రైట్ 88,000 వన్ టైమ్ ఓన్లీ. 1000 అని వన్ టైం, డోంట్ రైట్ 2 times. సో 88 EIGHTY 80 EIGHT 88,000 THO US AND 88,000 completed. 1000 completed. Next, hundreds place have here 0. 0 has no value, so leave it. Next, 8 8 8 8 88. So 88,088. EIGHTY 80 EIGHT 88. Now come to the third one. 636,905. Here observe period system. Which system is this? Indian or international? Indian system. Once observe here. Here how many numbers after comma? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after comma. Next, the Indian system means 2 digits after comma. But here 2 digits after not have comma, not have. So this is international system. This is international system. Write international system places. International system places. Listen. First ones. Next tens. Next hundreds. Next thousands. Next 10,000s. Up to here same. Indian system, international system up to 10,000 both are same. But next in Indian system 10,000 after lakhs. But in international system 10,000 after 100,000s. So in international system not lakh, 100,000. So now write number name. So read this 3 numbers together. Why these 3 numbers have comma? 3 numbers ki kalipi comma unnadu. So read these 3 numbers. 636. 636 means 636. So 636,000. You read 1000 only one time. Here 3 times means 636,000, 1000. Don't write like that and don't read like that. 636,000. This totally thousands. So you read one time and write also one time. Right. 600 HUNDRED 636 THIRTY 30 SIX 636 1000. Which period is this? Thousands period. THO US AND 1000. 636,000. These 3 numbers also we read together. So 905, 905, 905. N9, NE 9, HUN DRED 905, FIVE 905. See, 636,905. Last one. See. Observe. Which system observe here? How many numbers after comma first? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. Next, 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 numbers. So what is this system? International system. So international system. First write places. Ones, tens. So tens after hundreds, after thousands, after 10,000s. Next, lakhs. No, in international system 10,000 after 100,000s. 100,000s. Next 100,000s after not lakhs, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s after millions. Millions for M. Millions for M. Millions. So you write million. Now we write the number name. So 8. Here 8 number ఒకటే ఉంది కదా కామాకి. So 8 million. So write 8 spelling. EIGHT. 8 million. MILLION. 8 million. See here, these 3 are belongs to thousands period. So read these 3 numbers together. ఈ 3 కలిపి చదవాలి. So 080. 080 means 80 na. The 0 has no value. So 80. 80,000. 80,000. EIGHT. 80,000. THOUSAND. 80,000. Next, these 3 numbers also have comma. ఈ 3 numbers కి కలిపి కామా ఉంది కదా. సో 080. This also 80. So write EIGHTY 80. Now see, 8 million, 80,000, 80. 80. So here hundreds place 0 na. So leave it. 0 has no value. So don't write 100. 0 100. Some members write here 0 hundreds. Don't write like that. 0 has no value. So leave it that place. Go to the next place. 8. 8 in tens place. So 80. Okay. Go to the next bit. See children, next bit. Express the following numbers in figures, placing the commas at the right place. So here given number names, we write numbers and commas also. So first one, 20,022. 20,022. See here, 20,022. 20,022. So this is Indian system number name. Yes, this is Indian system number name. But when we write number, start from ones place onwards. మనం నెంబర్ రాసేటప్పుడు వన్స్ ప్లేస్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్, వన్స్ ప్లేస్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. వన్స్ ప్లేస్, టెన్స్ ప్లేస్, హండ్రెడ్స్, థౌజండ్స్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ వీ గెట్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ లార్జర్ ప్లేసెస్ టు స్మాల్ ప్లేసెస్ వి గెట్ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. ఇక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యి రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ రావచ్చు. సో స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ దిస్ నెంబర్ నేమ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వన్స్ ప్లేస్ డిజిట్? సి, వన్స్ ప్లేస్ ఇటే కదా స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేది, ఇక్కడి నుంచే కదా, ఫ్రమ్ రైట్. ఫస్ట్ 2. 2 ఈజ్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ డిజిట్. వన్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ టెన్స్. టెన్స్ మీన్స్ 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 అలా ఉంటే టెన్స్ ప్లేస్. సో హియర్ గివెన్ 20. So what you write? 2 0 na? No. In 20 only you write 2, not write 0. You write 0, that is wrong. So you write only 2. Tens over. In tens place, after place, hundreds. Is have any hundreds? No, hundreds not have. So you write hundreds place is 0. Hundreds place after thousands. Yes, thousands. How many thousands here? You have 1000, but how many? 20. 20,000. So you write 2 only, na? So thousands, 10,000. 1000 have 2 places. So first 1000, 10,000. రెండు ఉంటాయి కదా 1000. So 21,000, 22,000, 23 అలా లేవు కదా. So what you write? You write 20. Means thousands place, 10,000s place, both are here only. So now comma, keep the comma. Ones, tens, hundreds. In Indian system, first 3 numbers after we put the comma. Next 2 numbers after. See, this is completed. Now see, observe. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. సో ఈ రెండు కలిపి చదవాలి కదా నాన్న, ఈ 2 నెంబర్స్కి కామా ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో 20,000, 22, దట్ ఓన్లీనా. when you write the answer, once again check and read this number రీడ్. ఇది మీరు రీడ్ చేయండి ఈ నెంబర్ని. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన నెంబర్ నేమ్, ఈ నెంబర్ నేమ్ సేమ్ ఉంటే యువర్ ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ గో టు ద సెకండ్ వన్. 4,40,040. So write ones place digit. 40 after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 అలా ఉన్నాయా? No. So ones place digit not have. So you write here 2 ఉంది కదా. So we write 2, but here 40, 22, but here only 40. 2 3 not have na. So you write ones place digit is 0, not have ones place digit is 2. Next ones place after tens. So tens, how many tens here? Tens అంటే చెప్పాను కదా 20, 30, 60, 40 అలా ఉంటాయి. So here 40, this is tens place. So what you write in tens place? 40 means you write only 4. Tens after hundreds. Tens after hundreds. Is there any hundreds? No. So hundreds you write 0. Hundreds place you write 0. Hundreds after 1000. Yes, is there 1000? How many thousands? 40. In 40 both 1,000, 10,000, 2 places are came. So you write here 40. Thousands place after lakhs. 1,000, 10,000. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Both are came here only. 40లోనే 2 places వచ్చేసాయి. నెక్స్ట్ 10,000 after lakh. Yes, lakh here has lakh. So how many lakhs? 4 lakhs. So you write 4. Now put the commas. First how many numbers after comma? Yes, 3. Next 2. In Indian system 2 numbers after comma. Yes, this is the correct answer. Once read this number. 4 lakh. This is lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So 4 lakh 40,040. That only na. 4 lakh 40,040. Next see, 206,500. 206. Once observe here. ఇది ఇండియన్ సిస్టమా, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టమా? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇండియన్ సిస్టమ్ ఆర్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టమ్? సి 206,000. We have in Indian system 26, 36, 46,000, 26,000, 40,000, 20,000 like that. But here 260,000, 206. So in thousands place have 100,000 also. సో 100,000 ఉంది అంటే 206,000. ఇలా 3 నెంబర్స్ 206 ఎస్ కలిపి ఉంది 1000కి అంటే దట్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టమ్. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ రైట్ నెంబర్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ డిజిట్ వాట్ హియర్ 1. Ones after tens. Is have tens 60, 30, 40? Not have. So you write 0. Next, tens after hundreds. Yes, hundreds, 500. Here also have hundreds, but this is thousands period 100. Don't write 2 here. ikkadi nunchi chuskondi. So 100 is have 100. So how many hundreds? Yes, 5 hundreds. 5, right? 500. Hundreds after 1000. Yes, thousands. How many thousands here? 6,000s. 6,000s. No, 206,000s. So write thousands. 6,000. 6,000. Thousands after place 10,000s. Here 20, 30, 40 is have? No. So what you write? 0. 0. 10,000s after 100,000. So how many 100,000s here? 200,000. So write 2. Or thousands అని కనిపించగానే దాని ముందున్న నెంబర్ మొత్తం రాయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ బిఫోర్ నెంబర్? థౌజండ్స్ బిఫోర్ నెంబర్ 206. దట్ ఓన్లీనా 206. అలానైనా రాయొచ్చు, ఇలా అయినా రాయొచ్చు. 6. నెక్స్ట్ 10,000 ప్లేస్ నాట్ హ్యావ్, సో 0. నెక్స్ట్ 100,000 ప్లేస్ 200,000, సో 2. దానికన్నా ఇదే ఈజీ నాన్న. 1000 బిఫోర్ read the number 206. So write 206. Now keep the commas. How many numbers after first? 3. Next 3. This is last now. Don't write here comma. Next last. See, 2,32,108. See which system is this? Yes, international system. Why? Here million came na? 32,000 undi. Kani idi international Indian system anukodam kaadu. But here million gave. So million means international system. Now start the number. First ones place onwards. What is the ones place digit? 8. So you write in ones place 8. Ones place after tens. Is there 20, 30, 40? Not have. So tens place is 0. Next hundreds. Yes, hundreds have. How many hundreds? 1. So write 1. Hundreds after thousands. Yes, here have 1000. How many thousand? 20, 32,000. This is million na? This leave it. ikkadi nunchi chuskondi. 32,000. Yes, right? 32. So here came thousands, 10,000s over. Next we have in international system 100,000 also. Yes, 100,000 also. But here only 32 given. 132, 232 not given like that. So 100 place not have means, so you write 100,000 place not have na, so you write here 0. Okay, 0. hundreds place లేదు కాబట్టి 100,000 place ఇక్కడ లేదు. ఓన్లీ 1000, 10,000. ఇందాకట్లాగా అక్కడ 206 అలా ఇవ్వాలి. బట్ హియర్ నాట్ గివెన్, ఓన్లీ 100. హియర్ ఓన్లీ గివెన్ 32. సో 100,000 ప్లేస్ ఈస్ 0. నెక్స్ట్ 100,000 ఆఫ్టర్ మిలియన్. ఎస్, హియర్ హౌ మెనీ మిలియన్స్? 2 millions. రైట్ 2. నౌ put the commas. 1, 2, 3. First 3 in international system 3 numbers after. Next also 3, 3. 3 numbers after with the comma. In Indian system first 3 numbers after, next 2 numbers after commas. Okay. See last one 5,000,008. Now write ones place digit. Yes, 8. Tens not have 0. Hundreds not have 0. Thousands not have 0. 10,000s 0. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. After first this one Indian system or international system? International na. So 10,000 after 100,000. Yes, 100,000 also not have 0. Next 100,000 after million. Yes, here have million. How many millions? 5 millions. So write 5 here. Now put the commas. First 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers after. Next 1, 2, 3. International system 3 numbers. Indian system first 3 numbers, next 2 numbers. This is 5,000 sorry 5,000,008. Okay children, today class is over and your homework is practice Indian system and international system number names. Tomorrow homework is that, okay, in practice Indian system and international, write any number, 4 digit number or 5 digit, 7 digit number, right? Practice Indian system number name and international system number name. That is your homework. Okay children, tomorrow we will meet.